The other driving concern that we've had through the weekend and this morning is the icy and snowy conditions there across Santiam and Willamette Pass. You saw that snow that we picked up this weekend. This morning, still seeing a lot of that snow on the roadside, seeing about 10 inches at Santiam Pass, about 6 inches there at Willamette Pass. The good news is most of that is off the roadways this morning. It is up to 33 at Santiam Pass, 31 right now at Willamette Pass, which means with those temperatures right there about freezing, still seeing icy conditions. So you just want to use caution, keep those speeds nice and slow if you're headed that way this morning. And by this afternoon, both of these roadways likely covered in snow once again, as we do have another storm headed our direction. Storm Tracker 9 live radar already picking up those showers in the northwest corner of the state and just starting to show up just offshore of the central Oregon coast. That's all going to continue to move on to the east today. Center of the storm is still several hundred miles offshore. That's going to move right through western Oregon later on this afternoon and evening. And as it does, we're going to see those wind speeds really start to climb. The pressure lines packed in very tightly here ahead of the storm. And it is going to be very breezy this afternoon. Also heavy rain starting about lunchtime, continuing through tonight. And then once we get through this storm, there's actually a second front that's going to develop in behind that. That'll move in on Tuesday, keep that rain going through Tuesday night. And then once we finally get through that, dry conditions move in. A lot of blue sky, and behind this, high pressure moves in Wednesday, stays all the way through the weekend. So it is going to be dry, but at this time of year, that comes at the cost of our temperatures. They'll likely fall down below freezing several nights in a row this week. And we'll see daytime high temperatures also quite chilly. But for the next 48 hours, the main concern is this rain, in addition to those strong winds. And you can see again this morning, those showers are already moving into the central coast. Really starts to pick up at about 11 o'clock, and that'll continue to move through the valley as we head into the second half of the day. We'll see that all the way through this evening. And you'll notice this is also snow again right across the Cascade Passes. That snow level is much higher than this weekend, so it's just the pass that'll see it. We'll see a couple inches up there today and again during the day on Tuesday. And then Tuesday afternoon, there comes that second front, and that'll keep the rain going through Tuesday afternoon. So here's what you need to know. Again, wet and windy tonight. The coast seeing winds from the south 30 to 40 miles per hour with those gusts up to about 40. The valley seeing winds from the south at 15 to 20 miles per hour, gusts up to about 35. So again, the highest winds will be at the coast. That high wind warning in effect until 10 p.m. tonight. And then another round of snow across the Cascade Passes. Otherwise, temperatures will top out in the mid-50s for the coast. We'll see those winds again all the way through this evening. For those of you in the Umpqua Basin, your highs in the low to mid-50s. Also seeing that rain as we head into tonight. The Cascades seeing high temperatures back into the low 40s, 1 to 3 inches up there. You can see that snow level definitely climbing, but also seeing those wind gusts up to about 30 miles per hour. Central Oregon, you'll see those winds picking up late tonight. Otherwise, highs back to the low 50s. Overnight lows falling to the upper 30s. And for us here in the Willamette Valley, low 50s. Heavy rain tonight. We'll see those winds picking up later tonight. And for the next 7-day stretch, we do dry out Wednesday. That's the good news, but it gets chilly. The coast in the low 50s. The Umpqua Basin only in the upper 40s. Falling to the low 30s overnight. The Cascades will see those upper 30s again for high temperatures, mid-20s overnight. And for the valley, mid-40s during the day and mid-20s overnight.